Hello guys, today I'm making this video on Dell Optiplex 505 tower motherboard. So I have searched a schematic diagram and board view for this motherboard. I could not get any of them, so finally I got one running motherboard, and this is with the problem motherboards. So in running board, what are the voltage is present in coil, MOSFET and every component. So guys, hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, I'm going to turn on this motherboard so you see the power light is pink. So for display I will connect mouse, so you can see that mouse light is also turned on. So I've inserted everything, RAM, CPU, fan, everything. So to check voltage, I'm going to keep this black top on the ground of the motherboard. So I've kept. So for voltage, you can see out here. So now motherboard is running. So firstly, I will turn off the motherboard. And check what are the standby voltage. So firstly I will check out here in this 4 pin. You can see 12 volt should be present even when board is turned off. So in both wire, yellow, I have 2 yellow wires, so I have checked, here is present 12 volt, and in this 4.9 is power PS on voltage. So this one is ground and it has no voltage, and in the white prof there is also 12 volt and 12 volt. Okay, CMOS battery voltage 2.9 volt, so that is good. Okay, in this MOSFET there should be 12 volt when it is not turned on. Let's check in the coil whether it is making voltage or not. In RAM coil there is no voltage. In this coil there is no voltage. So we have 2 CPU coil, there is also no voltage. Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's check in the bias pin. Pin number 1, there is no voltage. That's good. CPU will also not send the voltage. So right now is my motherboard is turned off. So let's check. In the past MOSFET, in the 12 volt, there is 12 volt for MOSFET. In the source there is no voltage. There is no voltage in the gate. 12 volt. There is also no 12 volt. You should get 12 volt only in the first MOSFET in every section. This one is second MOSFET. In the drain of the MOSFET you should get 12 volt only in the first MOSFET. This first MOSFET, and you can see out here there is there is no voltage, that is good. And here is 2 MOSFET, and I will let you know. Here is 2 MOSFET in the, and this is there is no voltage. Great. Okay, good. Let's check the RAM MOSFET. Yeah, you can see first MOSFET. second MOSFET we have 5 voltage. Actually this is not a second MOSFET, I think. Output is 5 volt. Okay, here's no voltage in the gate. We have voltage on the source. Okay, not the source. We have 5 volt in the gate and 12 volt in this MOSFET, and no gate, no source. Yeah, this is second MOSFET. Okay, great. We have gate 12 volt in first MOSFET of the drain in every section. Actually we should get out here, yeah, 5 volt in this transistor and nothing in this one. Great. Yeah, we have 11 volt in this transistor, 12 volt, yeah. Great. Let's check in this capacitor. We have also 12 volt, power L, 12 volt, 12 volt. Yes, 12 volt, 12 volt. Let's check out here. No, nothing. We don't have anything in this capacitor in RAM. Second, let's check out here. 3 volt. And here should be 3 present, 3 volt, 5 volt, 3 volt, 5 volt capacitor we have out here. Let's go. I think I did not check out here. This second MOSFET. Yeah, we have 3 volt in this MOSFET. Volt, 3 volt, the source, indicate 3 volt, 3 volt in the drain, second MOSFET. No, nothing in the second MOSFET. We don't have anything, any voltage in second MOSFET of 3 volt. So this was 5 volt. We have 12 volt in the drain of first MOSFET and 5 volt in this source, and in the gate we have 5 volt, and second MOSFET drain we have 5 volt, and we don't have any voltage in source and gate because there is no voltage in the gate for switching, so source has no voltage. Great. This is the board without power on. Okay guys, okay, let's turn on the board now. We have to check every section voltage. Yeah guys, very interesting, right? We have 2 voltage in this fan system, 2 volt, 2.2 volt. Great. I'm turning on the board guys. Great, fan is turned on and you can see my mouse is also turned on. So I'm going to check power on. You can see my board is on. I want to check the voltage with power on now. Okay guys, firstly I will check in this ring probe. There is no voltage because now it is in low position. First it has voltage 3 volt or 5 volt. We have 4.9 volt. Yeah, 12 volt. Yes, 12 volt. And out here in this connector 12 volt present, 12 volt present. Great guys. After that I want to check every coil, RAM coil. We have 2.4 voltage in RAM coil, and yes guys, we have 1.0 voltage. in this coil, 1.0 voltage, and we have two coil out here. Okay, this probe is not touched properly. We have 0.9 volt out here and 1.0 volt out here. Okay guys, I want to turn off the motherboard. You can see now it's turned off. So I want to keep the red probe on this pin number 5 in the BIOS and check how many voltage it is taking. So around 1 point voltage, 1 point. Okay, it's taking around 1. So let's check in pin number 6. Pin number 6 is taking around 0.9 volt, 6 volt, 2 volt. Okay, good. This data and signal. Okay, now firstly I will check this MOSFET. First MOSFET, we have 12 volt distribution, and we have nothing in source and gate. This is not turned on. Great. In the second MOSFET we don't have any voltage. Okay, we have voltage in the gate, which is 12 volt, and source. No, we don't have anything. We don't have anything. Great. First was 12 volt, source 0 volt, gate also 0 volt. We have resistor. Yes, no voltage. So we have this. Okay, great. Now let's go with the second another MOSFET. We have 12 volt in the drain. Source, we don't have any voltage. We don't have any voltage in the gate also. In the drain of second MOSFET we have nothing. Ball is turned on, guys. We have nothing in this MOSFET also. Actually I don't know guys what is this MOSFET for. So we have voltage on the gate. Let's check. We have 1.02 volt. This for core voltage VRAM. The first this one is first MOSFET, and yeah, and 1.8 volt in gate source, and gate we have 1.9 volt, and second MOSFET we have 1.0 in gate drain and 1.0 in gate volt. We don't have any voltage in this source. 12 volt in first MOSFET. In the source 1.02 volt. I'm checking this one right now. Volt in the drain. So gate we have 1.9. In the source we have 1.0 volt. This for VRAM. And the second MOSFET we have 1.024, and second MOSFET we will not get voltage in the source because source is connected with the ground. So go get voltage 1.0, which is good. Okay, now we have two MOSFET out here. So in the drain we have 12 volt, and in the gate we have 1.0 volt, source 0.9 volt. second MOSFET, drain 0.9 volt, gate 0 volt, source 0 volt, 1.5 volt in the gate. Source is connected with the ground. So here is one MOSFET, 1.3 volt, source 1 point, drain. Actually this is the MOSFET, dual core MOSFET, I think. 1.2, 112 volt, second pin, third pin 12 volt, 12 volt. This source, this is gate 1.2 volt, and this is source gate. Gate to gate. Yeah, actually now it is not getting voltage up here in this transistor. In previous when we check, it has having 5 volt or 12 volt. Now there is no voltage. Here is 3 volt, 3.3 volt. Nothing. 1.8 volt in this capacitor. Okay, my board is restart. Okay, great. Now let's check in the RAM section. This is first MOSFET. .2 volt in this MOSFET. Drain. Source we don't have anything. The gate 0.3 volt. This was the first MOSFET. 12 volt in and gate volt 1.2, source 1.2, and source comes to the gate 1.2 in the second MOSFET. Okay, 5 volt. Actually this was the 12 volt in, source 5 volt, gate 5 volt. Source gate comes to the second MOSFET drain, and source we have nothing. Source is connected with the ground. 0.6 voltage, 0.06 voltage in this second MOSFET, or 5 volt, 3 volt. Let's check. No, this is the first MOSFET in 3 volt, 12 volt in, 3.3 volt out in the source, 3.3 volt in the gate. Okay, now second MOSFET drain, we have 3.3 volt. We have nothing in the source. Source is connected to the ground, 0.06. Okay, great. Now what we need to check, these are the general checkup in the running motherboard. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you guys have learned something new today, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for like this important lesson. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Now I have this motherboard which is issue with no display guys, so I'm going to check what has happened with this motherboard. Thank you for watching guys. We'll see you in next video.